In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create collections on Shopify store. Now, what you're going to do to be able to find the collection page is you're going to look over here on the left side. As you can see here on the left side, we have all of these different features. You're going to focus on the specific feature called products. If you select this, you will be able to see a drop down of extra features. As you can see here, you have the option to have collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. What you're going to look for is, of course, the collections option. The collections are a group of different products. As you can see here, we have one on default, which is the home page. So when you visit your online store and check the home page, one specific group of products will be displayed there. And if you open this, as you can see, you will be able to check out the title, the description, and the products over here. Right now, I only have one product. Now, we will be able to demonstrate how it works much better if we have two or more products. So let me create a product for now. Let's go and click on products. Right now, we have one product over here. To create product, click on add product over here on the top right. And we can create product number 2. So let's simply name it product number 2. Then you could add a description, media, all the information that you need. You could even create a legit product for you. You could upload the image, all of those stuff. And after this, simply click on save to be able to save that specific product. And let's go check it out. Let's see if we have two products now on our product list. And there we go. We have product number 1 and product number 2. So when we go to collections and when we view homepage, as you can see, the only one that's being shown in the homepage is the product number 1. So let us check out our store so we can view it. Let's wait for it to load. And I will show you how you can create your own collection and even control how to display it. But the first collection, the default collection that we have is the homepage. So if you view it in the homepage, this is, it's not appearing here because this is a featured products. But if you find the homepage or the part where in your homepage, you will be able to see that there is only one product. I think it depends on the theme or the settings of your shop. Right now, what is being displayed are the featured product, which will automatically have all the other products. But anyway, that is how it would work. So we can click on create collection over here, the top right. It looks similar to creating a product. It's very similar. The process is very similar. Simply click on or simply create the collections title over here. So let's say, let's copy the title that is suggested over here, summer collection. There we go. Then you can add your summer collection description over here. Then scrolling down, you have collection type, you have manual, which will add product to this collection one by one. So the type of product that you would add or the collection would add will be from your input. So it will be a manual input. And we have here the automated, the existing feature product that will match your condition will automatically be added to this collection. That is the collection type of our featured product over here, which will automatically add the product. And you can set it to whatever option that you want. And aside from that, you can add some images over here on the right side. And you can select which part it will be published. Then after this, you can click on save. You will be able to save this collection. There we go. Then as you can see right now, there are no product to show in this collection. So you can click on browse and then you can see the product that we have. You can select both of them. Then you can click on add. And there we go. Then you can simply save it, or you can click on view and then you will be able to view the collection. As you can see here, summer collection, and then you have your product number 1 and product number 2. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to create collections on Shopify store. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.